This is your video overview of week one. As usual, week one is usually about, reconnecting with people, getting yourself unpacked, getting yourself organized, and getting access to all of your supplies that you need for your courses. In class, what you'll be focusing on in PSY 230 is getting your head around sort of definitional issues and broad philosophical questions that drive the field of personality theory. So really all I'm asking you to do this week, outside of the technical stuff of getting access to your textbook on perusal, is to read the introductory section in the textbook. It's relatively short, but it lays out for you, Frager and Fadiman lay out for you how personality psychologists typically define personality, and they outline the fact that there's no one agreed upon way of understanding what it means to be human and what it means to live a healthy, successful life. There are lots of different philosophies, and what they want to do in this introductory piece is to really help you first think about what drives all human beings to do what they do. And they explore with you, briefly the diversity of opinions about how to answer that question. Second, exploring what is it that people have in common. And again, there's no real agreement on what exactly all people share in terms of personality. And then finally, what kind of developmental experiences lead to either successful living or pathology of some kind, whether you describe that as mental illness or just living an unsuccessful life. And again, they will underscore the point that there are lots of different ways that humans over the centuries have defined those things. What do all people have in common? What makes them different? And how did they get different along the way? They also expose you to a little bit of what does it mean to say a theory is either good or bad? How do we identify the flaws in theories? And so on. So that's your week one overview.